Hello friends and welcome to another video where we are going to talk about the best option for working students with low scores. And the reason I'm putting this video, 2 months before CAT exam, is because a lot of students think that if their mock scores are less, when I say less, that means less than 100. If they're scoring less than 100 in their mock scores, that means they think that they are not doing good and they're kind of losing their grip on the preparation and kind of giving up on CAT. And that is not a good thing, guys, because I want to make you realize that, especially if you're a working student and if you're not even scoring 90 percentile, less than that, like between 80 to 90 percentile, you still have good options wherein you will see that you can increase your salary by 3 times or 4 times just in the span of 1 year. Okay, a 1 year MBA program which is available for the working students and where you get good increase in your salary at a low score. So yes, that is a possibility, but make sure that we don't want to have this option as the option for you right now. You just watch this video and keep it in your mind. Okay, but focus towards the best colleges. We want every one of you to get into the IIMs, the SPJs. We want every one of you to get into FMS. So those should be your target. But yes, these kind of videos are definitely going to instill confidence in your preparation, that you are definitely going to have a good end if you keep on going with your preparation at this point of time. So yes, a quick reminder that if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. So that you get free videos here. Okay, you have guidance videos coming up. We have Instagram platform wherein the account wherein we have free questions and daily current affairs being updated here. So please do follow us on both these platforms. Now I'm going to share about the college that I was talking about, and here it is. Yes, so that's about Great Lakes. Okay, and Great Lakes have got two campuses, one in Chennai, one in Gurgaon, but I'm being particular about the 1 year program, which is a PGPM program for professionals with work experience. Okay, so that program I'm going to talk about, and that too majorly of the Chennai campus. Okay, I'm not going to talk much about the Gurgaon campus here. So first thing first, okay, if you look at the eligibility, okay, so here you see that typically candidates with more than 2 years of experience are considered. Okay, that means people with less than 2 years, they are kind of not considered here, and which I know that this is kind of eligibility. However, it is said that exceptional candidates with 18 months plus experience, that is 1.5 years experience and more, with very good experience or very good profile, they might be considered. Okay, so however, in a general thing, what we have seen is people with more than 2 years only come here. Okay, for freshers, they have a separate program, PGDM. I will put another video for that, but this is particularly for the working students who can go for this program. And mind it, this is only for 1 year, guys. Because of this 1 year of program, you are definitely going to have better returns, because you're going to start your earning, because you're going to start your salary 1 year before than your other competitors. Okay, 1 year before than other competitors. This particular college has got 2 cycles. Okay, so 2 cycles of application is there. Dates, everything is available here. So from 22nd of August, okay, they have started off with their process. Okay, in terms of the application process, the last date is 22nd of November. Definitely the first cycle will have an advantage for people who have good profile. Okay, so this is called profile based early interview process, which is cycle 1. So I'll make a detailed video about the process, but however, right now in this video, I want to focus more about why this is a good option, why this is a good option. So if you look at here, okay, look at this. As I said, in fact, it's not even a 12 months, it's an 11-month program. Look at the placement report. Okay, just in 11 months, okay, students are having an average package of 13.6, which is close to 14 lakhs package of average package that they have. The highest is around 28.6. Okay, so do you go there, and you go there, get into these details of it. Okay, the companies which are there, so those brackets are there. So I'm not able to get some details here, but we get to know the particular figures with regards to the average salary and the companies here. Okay, so this is a very, very important data to be checked. Okay, and understand, guys, okay, this is also something that they have put here. Yes, yes, yes. And I want to highlight one more thing here, guys. People who want to go for a IT job after their MBA, okay, they want to make a career in IT. For them, Great Lakes is the best college. Why? Because most of the companies here, they come up with the IT profiles. Okay, you see the IT list is like IT or digital marketing, e-commerce companies, consulting, okay, are also majorly into tech consulting that they come up with. So definitely you have a good scope there, okay, in terms of getting good packages in the IT domain majorly. Okay, so if you look further, okay, I'm going to talk about the batch profile so that gives you a clarity with what kind of students majorly come for this program. So this is it. Okay, so majorly you will definitely see engineering graduates coming in, and as I said, people who have an IT background will in fact have a better chance of selection here. So just a span of 1 year time and getting a package of 14 lakhs, okay, that is going to be a good advantage, guys. Okay, so if I am going to talk about, yes, so this is the major part in terms of curriculum. Understand, okay, you are going to have 7 terms. Okay, you're going to have 7 terms in a particular year. That means 11 months of time, 7 semesters. Every 2 months, probably you will have a semester exam coming in. Okay, so you have this term 1, term 2, term 3, and then you have electives. Okay, you have marketing, finance. Okay, you have the general management. Okay, so all these kind of things are there. So definitely one thing is for sure, this 11 months of time of your PGPM program would definitely go like this. Okay, to just like go ASAP, you will not even know where the time went. But that is a great advantage, because understand your other friends who might be going for a 2 year program, they will get a package of 12 lakhs, 13 lakhs in a similar kind of college, but after 1 year. Okay, by that time you must have earned that entire 1 year package of 13 lakhs, 14 lakhs, whatever you must have got. So definitely it's a better return, okay, in terms of the investment that you're doing. And this is a good option. The cutoff usually for Great Lakes is around between 85 to 90 percentile. So that is also an advantage, that if your scores are less, okay, you have a scope of getting into a college where you can get 3 to 4 times a hike in your salary just in a span of 1 year of time. So this is what I wanted to share in this video. So make sure that your preparation is up, okay, and majorly focus towards the IIMs and SPJs and FMS. So if at all that doesn't happen, you still have a good option, okay, with a little low score, which is close to 85 to 90 percentile. So make sure that you watch this video, okay, like the video and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel in case you have not subscribed to it. Thank you.